All right, those were my 9 eggs in my silicone muffin tins. Next, I'm gonna come in with some bacon bits, and I'm gonna sprinkle on some bacon bits on about half of these little eggs. Now, I am using a whole eggs because that's how I like my eggs, but you can scramble these if you prefer. And as far as meat goes, I'm using bacon on the first half, and then I'm gonna use ground sausage for the second half. All right, and then just like we did with the bacon bits, we're just gonna add a scoop of that. These muffin liners are perfect because they fit the egg and all the extras. Don't these look super delicious? Such an easy and delicious air fryer breakfast. Now with my bacon bits, I'm gonna add a little bit of red onion because we do need to get some veggies early in the morning. Keep it healthy, keep it light. This is gonna be so delicious. But just like with the meats, you can do whatever veggie you like with this. You could do some bell peppers, you could do some chives, you could do whatever you like. With our sausage, my husband loves mushrooms, so we're gonna add some diced mushrooms to this. Oh my goodness. And you can even saute these veggies beforehand if you prefer them a little bit more cooked, but I kind of like them to have a little bit of texture, so that's why I'm keeping them raw, and they'll cook a little bit in the air fryer. Yum. All right, and then I have here Kinder's The Blend, which is salt, pepper, and garlic, and we're gonna season this whole entire thing with our seasoning, and you can even add some fresh garlic or whatever you like to this, but I think these are gonna be so delicious. Now the only thing this is missing, some cheese. Now for that bacon, I'm gonna add some sharp cheddar, and you can add as much or as little as you like. This is gonna create a nice little toasted top of our little egg bites that really pulls everything together. I am so excited to eat these. For our sausage, I just had this Mexican cheese left over in my fridge, so I'm gonna add the Mexican cheese to the sausage ones, but you can use whatever cheese you like, a mozzarella, a white cheddar, a Swiss. I think a Swiss would be really good on these mushroom ones, but I didn't have any, so the Mexican cheddar is gonna be just enough. But that is it. Our little individual easy breakfast in the air fryer is ready to start cooking. We're gonna turn this on. We're gonna set our air fryer to air fry. The temperature is gonna be 350. And then the time is gonna be about 10 to 12 minutes. We'll check it at 10. All right, we're actually gonna stop this early because look at these. Oh my goodness, they cooked perfectly. So that was about 8 or 9 minutes instead of the 10 to 12. And let's go ahead and grab these. I'm gonna start off with one of each kind. Oh, they look so good. And the best part about the silicone is they just pop right out. Oh my goodness, look how good those look. Let's go ahead and turn them over. Woo! Woo! And then I'm gonna top mine with some sriracha. This is obviously optional. And then let's cut into these. Oh, look at that beautiful runny yolk. That is exactly what I wanted. Obviously you can cook it for a little bit longer if you don't want it as runny, but I think that's gonna be incredible. Oh my goodness. That is so good. You guys have to try this.